Hi all, welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin, and in this tutorial we are going to learn a multiple formula as we are discussing by the time when we have started this math formula and all. So let's start, guys. So in this video or tutorial we are going to learn this hyperbolic sine value of sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and like that so on. So let's start, guys. So in front of you, this is the formula that has been given that I have taken from the Google only, where sine hyperbolic value, how we can compute, we can compute like a power of exponential minus the power of exponential in a negative way and divide by 2. Like I'm just trying, and here one more thing to notice here, the E value is 2.71828 like that. So if I want to compute the value of sine, how I can compute? I can simply put the formula like this. I can start the bracket, and I can take this value. I'm just taking as a, I'm freezing this value, and I am squaring it up by what to say. I can squaring up by one only I can take for the time being and bracket close, or instead of that what I can do, I can control C minus bracket start control V, and I can put as -1 because e raised to power minus x, and I can divide the whole value. For dividing the whole value I can select the whole bracket and divide by 2 like that. I am getting the value 1.1752 like that. And if instead of giving the value in a big formula, what I can do, I can put the formula this sine h formula which says returns the hyperbolic sine of a number. So I can simply give the number like that. Mm, the number would be 1 here because the power that I kept was 1, and I can simply press enter and I can check whether my result are equal to. So it is showing me false because it is rounded up to 4 digit and it is rounded up to 5 digit and so on. If I'm just stretching this, if you will find like here we are getting some differences, so that's why I'm not able to get my result as true instead of so this is like more about the sine value, and we can get my value for cos as well. And you can simply put like this, and if I'm just adding these two value, so this value would pertains to cos also. For cos also I can put the same formula. I can press 1 and enter, and here you can see I'm getting the same value 1.543, like more or less it is same. You are getting some minor difference, and I can simply copy that, paste here, and I can minus it. And if you see the first value that I'm getting for sine, the second value I'm getting for cos, and if I want to get my hyperbolic value for tan, I can simply uh, take this number and divide it by this number. I'm getting 0.64 like that, and I can get the value by putting the same formula also. Or might be I would have done something wrong. Okay, I think I would have done, sorry, I have kept the value in a formula. So instead of that what I can do, I can simply take the direct value and divide it by this, and here if you see I'm getting the same value like this, and so on we can get the value. Or else what I can do, I can take a different sheet where I can take the numbers and the range. I can apply the range for rand array formula here, a rand array where I want the 10 columns, comma, minimum value should be -5, maximum value would be 5, and comma integer I want, yeah, true, and enter. I'm getting the value from this to this, and I can, okay, it's fine. After that I can take different value like sin h, or maybe I can, instead of putting this formula, what I can do, I can simply press -5, or sequence formula I can use here, equal to sequence which says I want 10 rows, comma, columns I don't want, start with -5 and press enter. Like that I am getting, or I can give 11. So that's why I'm able to get my 11 numbers. And if I want to get the hyperbolic value of sine, I can this sine value, what I can do, I can put like this as sine h cos h tan h, and what was that, coth and secant. Here also you will notice one thing, we don't have any formula for secant, likewise we have seen in our last video. But anyway, we can compute by dividing this cos h value, and we'll see. I can show you as well. Like secant formula we don't have. Sorry, we have. And okay, it's fine then. Control X, Control V, and I can put this secant h formula also here. Secant h. Now what I can do, I can simply put secant sine formula here. Sine, after that sine, I can give number like this. I can freeze a, and for cosecant also I can give the formula like this, or I can simply drag this, so the cell would remain same, only I have to change this cos value. And okay, what error I am getting here, like this. I can take example of tan also. Tan h, press enter. For secant also I can give value like this, press enter. For coat also I can give value like this, and cosecant also, and I can get my table like this. Press Ctrl D, and here if you see my chart is ready for this number -5 to 5. I can simply give in a table also. How I can do, I can simply select my table like this, and table, which one do you want, more, I can click on more line chart, and after that you will see the line chart this, or I can more chart, I can simply select this one, press OK, and you will see my chart would see like this, and this is the pictorial representation of this value, like how these values are being derived, and how these values are getting changed. So -5 to 5, these values are getting changed. So we can leverage this formula while doing some calculation where this trigonometric hyperbolic things are required. So this is pretty much all about this formula. Hope you like these sessions and formulas, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, guys.